Pick up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. Me and Laurie's back at it again. That's right. We're about to go get something tonight. Me and Laurie is doing night fishing tonight, guys. We're heading out tonight, and we're gonna meet up with Brian and his wife tonight, and we're gonna do some night fishing. So, guys, big up yourself. Thank you for coming back to the channel. I had to kind of turn my interior light on this night, obviously. So we're gonna head out tonight, guys, and do a little bit of night fishing tonight, guys, and get out there and see what we can pick up and see what kind of species is out there tonight, guys. I don't know what's out there. Who knows? We might get some snappers. Let's see what's up, right?
Yeah.
That's what's going on. Pick up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Gotcha. Woo. Jamaican Shore Fishing. This is how we do it here. I was just coming into park next to Brian right here, guys, and got this crab right here. Hey Laurie, look. What do you say? Put him in the cooler. Laurie wants him. I gotta take him for Laurie, people. That's what's up. Is he? Yes.
Get that thing away from me. I'll eat it, but I don't touch it.
But where am I gonna put this crab? I don't have nothing to put him in. I gotta take my net out the bucket. Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. I'm gonna have to park on that side from Brian. Just got here a while ago, and Brian looked like he just got something. He popped off, Brian?
No. We have to get the rock up. See if we fix the rod tip in a Jerry.
Yeah, Jamaican Shore Fishing. I didn't know you had that issue, bro. What's that on it?
No, salt.
Brian.
My pull, man. Shit.
Knotted up here real bad on me, bro. Brian had to hand line this fish in, people.
Oh, yeah. Sure. Ayo.
Wrenchy, huh?
Ayo. Foul hook too, you know. That's why I feel so big. Sure.
There you go, Brian. Freed up. Just to get here, people. I didn't even set up yet. Brian's hitting wrenchman. I gotta find some spots to stick my rod so I'm not in the way of Brian. So, all said and done. Look at all these willets, Ryan. Brian. Get my champ rod out. Likewise. Haven't pulled these rods out in a long time, boy. Bro, ever since I got the kayak, haven't paid no mind to these drop lines. Kayak just been my new thing, you know? Yeah. I got a Garmin fish finder for it. Setting up takes time, people, especially when you're using so many rods. I haven't done any night fishing in a long time. But I just gotta work fast. I have everything pre-tied, so I've set up a little bit faster than normal, guys. I don't come out here wasting time. Actually outside of the buy time right now, guys. Yeah, man. Right here, Jamaican Shore Fishing, so we're trying to set up our bait, get our lines out there tonight. And I didn't rinse these off, so they slightly rusted a bit. Didn't intend for that, but we're using 1/0 circular hooks, so that just in case we want to release these fish, guys, we can put them back. Really has a size preference on what I bring home nowadays. Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. First cast. That's it, with tension on it, guys. Well, we got one hit on that already. What? Got hit already, guys? Look at that. That's what's up. It's water up pretty good, guys. Fish on. Making sure fishing, guys. What's up? Probably something small. Yeah. Alright, guys. Fish on already, guys. That's what's up. Let's see what it is. Brian, fish on. Oh shit. You went over me, Brian? Oh, I got a grunt. So making sure fishing, guys. Look at this grunt. Look how pretty he is. See the eyes? Check it out, guys. Look at that. Let's get this guy back in. There you go, guys. Oh man. Oh, he's gone. He's good. Fish on? Brian got fish on again? Another wrenchy. Yep, Brian got another wrenchy. That's what's up. Wrenchman makes good soup. Wow, nice wrenchy, bro. Wow, Brian catch a nice wrenchy, people. Look at that. Let's get a close up on that one. Nice one. This is a nice size wrenchy, Brian. Yo, Brian, not for nothing, bro, but I love making fish tea with wrenchmans.
I'm not get my wrenchman, no.
No, but I'm not taking your wrenchman, bro. I'm just saying, fish tea, bro. That's
that shit.
Yeah,
nice
that's
fish.
Definitely nice size fish, bro.
Nice fish.
Definitely. I'm just saying though, bro. You're saying you're not gonna give me the wrenchman, bro. I didn't want your fish, bro. Yo, we got. You want to put it in my cooler for the time being?
Yeah, man. Go on.
Drop him in there. Yo, Larry. Yeah. Cause I know we got all the crabs in your cooler. Eh? Fish on? Eh? Yeah. Wrenchy, yes. Ryan catch another wrenchy again. There's a fish tea now. Miss a morning. That's right. Making shore fishing way, guys. Drop line fishing and crab hunting. Making shore fishing. We are out here. Fish on? Huh? Another wrenchy? What? Like I said, Brian, they're on a wrenchy mission tonight, man. Well, fish tea now, Miss Brian tomorrow morning, people. Yeah, man. We use this to make fish tea, you know. Typical Jamaican recipe. Nice. Yes, sir. Your mind's a Brian, I go off, so I'll go on. Which one? Nah, go on good with me tonight, you know. Get me on some bait tonight, boy. Bombard!
Don't take two pounds.
Brian, no easy. Come on, Brian, I catch two crab. Eh? Oh, wow. Now come.
Octopus.
Pass my gaff out of bag, Larry. No gaff, man, take him up, man.
Octopus.
See, you want octopus, right? That's a nice.
Oh, wow.
You want them?
No, like,
Alright, so.
Yeah.
get that thing away from me.
So where you go? Look at nothing there.
I don't like
Yep, guys. So, I want you guys to see.
Oh, wow.
Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Look at the octopus. He's missing a tentacle. See him? Look at him.
I just didn't feel like you want back.
See him right there? Yo, he camouflages so good, people. Look at this. Let me see if I can get some light zoomed in on him here. Yep, there you go.
I had good too.
There you go, guys. You guys can get to see him pretty good, yeah? Hiding pretty good. Sea urchins.
That's our first place we catch a couple. So.
I caught one first. This is the first place. Oh yeah. Throw them in the bucket, bro. Larry, you getting curry crabs tonight? Look on your face. It's your birthday anyway, so.
Next week.
Yeah, the 21st, next week.
Wednesday.
So.
A present from me.
Jaja. Unless we have put the cooler up on top of this bucket here. Brian, good for the crab catching still. No, one night we come out here, so one night. We don't catch no fish. But the amount of crab we go on with the night. I mean, up hurt me back tonight, you know. I don't know. I lost my remote for my camera.
Where's the number crab? Come on, man.
Alright. Larry, you guys gonna have to listen out for the lines.
Oh, don't do that.
Huh?
I said, don't do that.
The scream.
Wow,
Larry, you have a reel in the fish. So guys, we got the line set. Me and Brian decided we're gonna hunt some crabs. No rain, no fall, Brian. But we are hunt crab. Let me see him. Let me see him. He look a bit though. Yeah. He's small. Brian, if you catch out the whole crab population to rotted. Brother, how much is a turbo?
He's not here.
Ja, God. Larry, you know. Larry, look. Brian caught you some nice crabs, yo. I can make house and sauce crab for you. House and sauce crab. The oyster sauce crab. I could whip that up with some sesame oil and some oyster sauce and some cornstarch and a little rice wine, and whip that up with a little soy sauce in that too. Woo! Yeah, me I come. Brian need help. Brian need help. We have crab I try escape.
Just lift up here and watch it one.
Go on. Hey boy.
Lift him my other thing, man. Lift him.
Hey boy.
Jerry, hold on, man. You go too hard, man. You go too. Hold on. There's the thing I make nice. Alright, ready? Go on. See me. Oh, shit. Oh, what congregation now, man. Everybody got it.
I lie.
Plus the big one, plus the one next one that I want to hold us up.
Do you guys even have fish with us?
The one next one I try to hide from me, right? That's up.
What is it? Can block?
Oh, shit, let me see him. I want to get blood stains.
Big one, not true.
Science.
You take them and give me light a warm time, brother.
Oh, shit. What you doing this, man?
No one crab me I catch right there, man.
You don't cut my. Your machete done, man. Oh, that little man. You're big, man. You're full of it.
I lick me on my head, you're fat, man.
Watch out, Jerry. Watch out, what I say. The amount of them in can't even go down.
See.
So, hold it right, so.
Feel like your boss my head, Brian.
So I stuffed them in that cooler. Couldn't lock. Couldn't lock. I see him like a blue cooler. 30 of them and no little one here.
My shake me a raw licking on my head. That me tell you.
Come see if you think they're on my left side, you know.
No, I crab, me see crawl out of your foot.
What?
Oh, a crab in there?
Lick my head. Watch my head.
No.
You know, bossy?
No.
For making sure fish in here, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I don't know if the lighting is that great, guys. I really haven't done these kind of sessions. Big up yourselves though. I'm actually doing some crab in oyster sauce that we caught last night, guys. Me and Brian went out fishing last night and we ended up catching some crabs along with some fish last night. So I'm doing some cooking on this, guys. I'll show you the video of the exciting crab catch in this video. So basically now, guys, I pretty much prepped everything for you guys beforehand. The cleaning up the crab, the getting the stuff ready and waiting to get in here. So basically what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna start off making some crab in oyster sauce. So big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel, guys. First of all, we're gonna get some sesame seed oil in this pot here, guys. Let's get this heat back up, because I had turned it down because I had to do my intro, guys. So let me get myself a rubber spoon here. Get this oil spread in here pretty good. Yeah, guys, I gotta drop this heat down. This wok heats up pretty fast, so I gotta be really extremely careful of what I'm doing, guys. So guys, I just added some sesame seed oil, and what you're trying not to do is let the sesame seed oil burn. We'll get some butter in there. That was spooky. Let's get some butter in here, guys. Melt this butter up real good in here, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. All this steam in my kitchen. Alright, let's get this butter melted. Should not be using a metal spoon in this pot, but anyways, went that already. Yeah, guys, so this smells awesome already, and I haven't even put anything in it yet. So guys, we're basically dropping our garlic in our butter here, guys. Smell that. That smells so good already. All right. So after that, drop a little bit of ginger in here, guys. And yeah, guys. So what we're gonna do, guys, before we add the rest of the stuff, guys, I'm gonna let this stuff cook this crab up. So what I need to do is grab some crab and start dropping this crab in here, guys, so I can get this crab starting to cook already. The bigger claws I'm gonna have to break up. I just freshly broke these crabs up, guys. You can still see them moving in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're actually still, like, was still kicking alive when I broke them up. So, and cleaned them up. So what I wanted to do with the big claws, guys, I didn't want to just drop the big claws in there just like that. Put them in a nutcracker and give them a crack. So pretty much it, guys. Just crack the claws, the bigger ones, before you put them in, because it's going to be a problem when you're eating it to crack. So this nutcracker is not working out. Oh my god. Broke! Oh my god, I broke the nutcracker with this claws. That's just gonna have to go in there like that, guys. We're not fighting with that. Let's get these guys in here. Making a mess. I had them sit in the water, guys. Come on. There, guys. Making sure fishing here, guys. Crab and oyster sauce, guys. Make sure that garlic spreads all over. Let's get this thing scooped down, covered up. I broke my nutcracker, guys. Look at this. So, here, guys. So, letting these guys steam a bit before I start adding the rest of the ingredients. I like to get that garlic in there. Yeah, so we went out pretty much last night, guys, on the hunt, and Laurie was like, hey daddy, I'm in the mood for crabs. So I'm like, all right, well, I'll grab a few, and I end up grabbing more because I still got some in the bucket, and it couldn't have all fit if I had got them all prepared. So it made no sense to kill them. I could have kept them alive for a few days and used them when I'm ready. So didn't want to make so much tonight, guys, because it's just me and Laurie. So this is it right here, and my wok is not that big. Not really. This one was just barely changing color there, guys. So, got that in, guys. So, let's get the rest of the stuff. This is cornstarch already broken down, guys. Oops. Just made a mess. Got the cornstarch in, guys. And go and get your oyster sauce, soy sauce in here, guys. And we're gonna get some red hot peppers in here. And some onions. And some spring onions, scallions, aka. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, this is it. So now, I'll get some oyster sauce up in here, guys. Whatever I have left in here is pretty much is what's gonna go in there. The rest of it. That's the end of that. That's finished. Yeah, guys. I'll let this steam down, guys. Yeah, man. That, people, is your crab and oyster sauce. I've done it in housing sauce before, guys. And I've also done it in oyster sauce. Let's see how this turns out. How's that smell to you, Larry? Here, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. This is what's up, guys. We got this thing ready. A bit. Smells good. It looks good. My mom.